everyone, welcome back to my channel. I think I lost count of the weeks because this is technically week 9 of Operation Nail Growth, but the last video I uploaded was week 5 or 6? Yeah, week 5, and I uploaded that 2 weeks ago. So that would put us at week 7, but the first manicure I did was like technically 9 weeks. Actually, no. Regardless, I think that this Operation Nail Growth journey has come to an end because I have reached my ideal length. I am so happy with these nails. I didn't film myself doing this manicure because I did it this morning at like 5:30 a.m.
Here is a quick clip that I snapped this morning before I took this polish off. So underneath here is the last week 5 manicure, which was the pink gelish. On top of it is a coat of Morgan Taylor's Woke Up This Way. And on top of that is OPI's I Pink It's Snowing. This is just a way that I prolong my gel manicures. I filmed a whole video about it. It'll be up soon, so stay tuned for that.
I had to remove my old manicure, so that had to soak off. It was quite the process.
After I removed that manicure, I had to snap a quick clip of these nails because they look amazing. They look so healthy. They are so long. There is no peeling. I'm just really, really proud of this growth. And since I didn't film this manicure, I just wanted you to see what they looked like pre-polish.
And then I really, really wanted French tips, so that's what I did. Here, let me give you a close-up. Here they are. They are beautiful almonds. I am so happy with this progress. You know that this was the broken thumb. It's still shorter with the rest, but it kind of blends in. But I am so proud of myself. I am so proud of the progress, of the growth, of the journey, and I don't know what else to share. This is a gel French manicure. I did 2 coats of Gelish's foundation, and then I did 2 coats of Chic White or Sleek White. I always forget what the polish is called, sleek or chic. For the tip, so 2 coats of that white for the tip and then 1 coat of the top coat to finish it off, and these are perfect. So no structure gel for this manicure. I was debating whether or not I wanted a coat of structure gel, but I decided to skip it, and so far I'm happy with that decision. We'll see how these hold up. I really hope I don't break any. I just refiled them this morning. The last manicure I did, I just touched up, filed them. This one, I like truly reshaped them. So these are like real almonds. They're a little bit pointier, which I love, but they are like the perfect length, shape, everything. I'm so happy. The only things I've really done to get to this point are weekly or bi-weekly manicures, depending on if I did gel or regular polish. I used my Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil like 24/7, all day, every day. I have a bottle of it in my purse, in my car, on my desk, by my bed, in my kitchen, in my living room, at the office, absolutely everywhere. A bottle in Dan's truck. Cannot live without it, and I swear by it. I don't think anything contributes to the health of my nails more than that oil. They're so much stronger, they're so much longer. My cuticles are just on point, and I'm really happy. The gel manicures are always great for that final push. I love to do them once my nails get a little bit of length on them. It just helps keep them long and strong. I recently posted a video on my channel sharing my gel do's and don'ts. If you haven't checked that out, add it to your watch list. There's some really good tips in there. I think I'm gonna do a part 2 soon because there are so many that I forgot about. That's really it. I feel like this video was super rushed, but I wanted to get it up before like way more weeks went by. I don't even know if I can call this a week 6 update. Originally, I wanted to try to post 1 update video a week, but we ended up updating like every week and a half. And by the time this video goes live, it'll have been about 2.5 weeks. I'm just gonna say the final week. That's what I'm gonna title it, Operation Nail Growth, the final week. And people ask me, how long does it take you to grow your nails? And it depends on where you're starting. If you're starting with true nubs like I did, apparently it took a full 9 weeks to get to this like ideal length. And honestly, I would have tapped out at week 7 or 8 and been happy with the length, but this is like perfect for me. And everyone's nails grow differently. Everyone has a different idea of the perfect length. But I would say that normally anywhere between 4 and 6 or 7 weeks is where I find my sweet spot. Based on where I start, it takes about 4 to 7 weeks to get to beautiful natural nails. It doesn't take forever. I remember once, oh my gosh, I had my nails done by this woman and I was telling her I really want to grow longer natural nails. She told me in 6 months you'll have the nails of your dreams. And I was like, 6 months? And I remember thinking that was the craziest amount of time. That was so long. I was like, no freaking way. I mean, this was a very long time ago. I was still in college, but this just goes to show you that if you are trying to grow your natural nails, you can do it. It's much easier than you think. It doesn't take any crazy products, any crazy effort. It just takes consistency. And I really appreciate everyone who has joined me on this Operation Nail Growth journey. I'm sure there will be another one at some point this year. If you have been on this journey with me since we embarked in January, please leave me a comment below and let me know how you're doing. Let me know about your progress, the growth that you've seen. I've really enjoyed hearing from you, and you guys have kept me accountable. You have made this like way more fun to do, way more fun to keep track of. And I'm just really proud of where we are. That's a thumbnail right there. This is a thumbnail. That's like a thumbnail. But I think that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.